Mastering Contract Negotiation, a step-by-step guide. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential skill for professionals and business people alike: contract negotiation. Understanding this process is crucial, whether you're a freelancer, a business owner, or just looking to get a grasp on professional interactions. Let's break down what it means and how you can navigate it effectively. Contract negotiation refers to the process of discussing and arriving at mutually agreeable terms between two parties before signing a formal agreement or contract. This process is fundamental in business, as it determines the responsibilities, benefits, and obligations of each party involved. Negotiating a contract is not just about haggling over prices. It's about ensuring that both parties understand and agree to the terms of the contract, minimizing risks and clarifying expectations, building a strong foundation for a successful professional relationship. 1. Preparation. Before entering negotiations, research and understand your needs, the other party's likely needs, and what you're willing to compromise on. 2. Communication. Effective negotiation relies on clear, respectful, and open communication. Aim to understand the other party's perspective and express your own needs clearly. 3. Flexibility. Be willing to adjust your demands to find a mutually beneficial agreement. 4. Attention to detail. Understand every aspect of the contract. Small details can have significant implications. Misunderstanding terms. Ensure all terms are clearly defined to avoid confusion. Pressure to concede. Stay calm and focused on your priorities. Remember, it's okay to walk away if the terms are not favorable. Long negotiations. Set deadlines to keep the process moving and prevent it from dragging on unnecessarily. Contract negotiation is a vital skill that can lead to successful partnerships and business deals. By preparing thoroughly, communicating effectively, and being flexible, you can navigate this process smoothly. Remember, the goal is to reach an agreement that benefits both parties and lays the groundwork for a strong working relationship. We hope this video helps you feel more confident about your next contract negotiation. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.